Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Chromebook for keyboard-only use. Open Settings and enable Tap-to-Click and ChromeVox if you want spoken feedback. This gives immediate navigation cues. Make sure the search key functions as your launcher modifier. Memorize essential keys. Tab moves focus, Shift plus Tab reverses it, Enter activates, and arrow keys scroll or select. Once done, practice toggling accessibility on and off so you can compare behavior. This makes later navigation predictable and faster when you drop the mouse. Now you move through tasks without touching a mouse. Use Alt plus Tab to cycle apps quickly and Alt plus brackets, or Search plus left/right to snap windows for split view. This organizes work. In Chrome, press Tab to jump between links and form fields, then Enter to open or space to toggle checkboxes. Use Shift plus Tab to go backwards. For menus, press Alt to access the top bar and Control plus Search plus L to lock the screen. Practice these combos to build muscle memory and speed. Finish by tailoring the system to your workflow. Open Settings device keyboard and map shortcuts for screenshots, brightness, and media. This reduces keystrokes. Enable auto-click under accessibility if tapping feels awkward. It triggers clicks after focus dwells. If something stops responding, try a quick reboot, check for Chrome OS updates, and run the built-in keyboard diagnostics. If the problem persists, sign out and test in guest mode to isolate profile issues. These steps resolve most interruptions and keep you productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.